Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact Pokemon you want to evolve and verifying it evolves by trading. Once done, check held items, remove anything that blocks evolution, or keep a required item if the evolution needs it. Make a backup copy in your boxes so you don't lose a rare specimen. You should also confirm level and moves you want before trading, because evolution can change stats and learn sets, so decide now to avoid surprises. You now create the trading link. Open Link Trade or Union Circle and set a private link code if you want a specific partner. Once connected, communicate clearly about which Pokemon you'll trade, confirm held items, nicknames, and whether you're doing a temporary trade for evolution. Then initiate the swap, select the Pokemon, accept the trade window, and complete the exchange. Keep your partner waiting until you verify the trade triggers evolution, because you may want to reverse it. After the trade completes, you should see the evolution animation for eligible species. Accept it to finalize. If nothing happens, make sure that species evolves by trading and that no held item blocked evolution. Return the Pokemon if possible and reattempt. If the partner disconnects or the link code fails, reset your connection, re-establish the trade room, and try again with a trusted friend. Finally, always restore any important items from boxes and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.